When building a PC on a budget, you do not have to sacrifice style or performance, especially when selecting the correct case to house your components. In truth, the market is brimming with appealing options. So, if you're looking for the best budget PC cases for your next build, plenty of great choices are available. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best budget PC cases you can buy in 2024. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. Montech Air 903 Max. Montech has successfully entered the budget market with the A900 III Max. Montech has debunked the myth that a cheaper case means sacrificing significant features. They have delivered one of the best value solutions on the market. This chassis features a large mesh front, allowing excellent airflow throughout the case. It comes with 4 pre-installed 140 mm fans, 3 of which have RGB illumination. This is an incredible amount for a case at this price point. The A900 III Max case also provides a generous 400 mm of clearance for your GPU, so you won't be short on room, even if you want to build with one of the larger RTX 40 series GPUs. It would be best if you had plenty of room, even with a radiator added up front. Storage capacity is also excellent, with builders urged to use up to 5 SSDs and 2 3.5-inch hard drives. However, connecting cables to these disks is more complicated than necessary because certain routing lines lack grommet holes. Even though the pre-installed rear fan is not illuminated, the ARGB and fan controller that come with this case add to its value. Overall, the Montech A900 III Max is a budget-friendly case that can cool even the most power-hungry PC. Number 4. Asus Prime AP201. The Prime AP21 is an interesting and unique PC case from a brand with mesh panels on all fronts. This not only looks great, but also allows for solid access to cool air. The case starts at $80. If cooling potential is your main concern, perhaps no micro ATX case would suit your needs better than Prime AP21. The standout feature of the AP21 is its all-mesh design. Every side of the case is fitted with a mesh panel to ensure maximum levels of airflow. Despite its compact size, the case is roomy enough to house a high-end system. It has clearance for graphics cards up to 338 mm long, CPU coolers up to 170 mm tall, and PSU lengths up to 180 mm. That's enough space to fit a Tier 1 GPU and just about any CPU cooler on the market. It also can house radiators up to 360 mm long, so you can fit a 360 mm AIO cooler in this case with no problems. In terms of ports, the AP21 has a USB Type-C connector on the front that supports 10 GB per second. The case also has 2 USB Type-A ports and jacks for microphones and headphones, conveniently situated on the front rather than the top. The bottom line is that if airflow and cooling performance are the most important factors for you in choosing a case, there is probably no better micro ATX option than the Prime AP21. Number 3. Cooler Master Masterbox NR600. The Masterbox NR600 is a mid-tower PC case that offers a clean and sophisticated design, making it suitable for various environments. It is made of steel, polycarbonate, and tempered glass, and weighs just under 15 pounds. The case can accommodate a GPU up to 410 mm in length, and a CPU cooler with a maximum height of 166 mm. It provides ample cooling options, including support for up to 360 mm radiators on the front, 240 mm on the top, and 120 mm on the back. Dust filters are included at the top and bottom. Additionally, it can house up to 4 3.5-inch drives and 5 2.5-inch drives. The front ports feature 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, a 3.5 mm HD audio jack, and power and reset switches. However, it does not have a USB-C port, which is typical for a PC case under $100. Overall, the Masterbox NR600 is a reasonably priced and well-equipped case that covers all the basics. Number 2. NZXT H5 Flow. The H5 Flow is a low-cost, compact mid-tower ATX PC case with two color options, all white and all black. The case features a mesh front panel for airflow, two pre-installed 120mm fans, and ample capacity for large GPUs. In addition, one of the provided fans is angled and located at the bottom to ensure that your graphics card receives adequate airflow, allowing it to perform at peak levels for extended periods. The case contains only one 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch drive bays. The H5 Flow also includes a cable management system to keep things organized and a tempered glass side panel to show off your gear. The top panel houses the front I/O, which consists of a USB-A port, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack. Behind this is a detachable dust filter that protects the top 280mm fan and radiator region. Despite certain restrictions on installing more radiators and storage, the NZXT H5 Flow is suitable for compact gaming PCs with the most powerful graphics cards. Number 1. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious consumers, priced at under $100. Despite being nearly 4 years old, it continues to be a popular option due to its robust build quality and strong reputation. This case features a well-designed airflow system with a mesh front panel, facilitating smooth air movement from the front to the back. Equipped with two 120mm fans, it offers ample space for radiators and additional fans, accommodating a 360mm radiator at the front and a 280mm radiator at the top. Corsair cases are known for their exceptional cable management, providing multiple channels for efficient organization. However, it's important to note that the 4000D has limited GPU clearance, which could potentially pose compatibility issues with certain models from NVIDIA and AMD. The I/O panel is conveniently located at the top of the chassis and includes a single USB 3.0 port, a Type-C connector, and a combined mic or headphone jack. In summary, Corsair's Obsidian 4000 series presents a sleek, minimalist aesthetic at an affordable price point, making it suitable for the majority of ATX systems. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.